Fiber is incredibly important. It leaves your stomach undigested and ends up in your colon, where it feeds friendly gut bacteria, leading to various health benefits. Certain types of fiber may also promote weight loss, lower blood sugar levels, and fight constipation. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics recommends consuming about 14 grams of fiber for every 1,000 calories you consume daily. This translates to roughly 24 grams of fiber for women and 38 grams for men. Unfortunately, an estimated 95% of adults and children don't meet the recommended daily fiber intake. The average daily fiber intake is estimated to be 16.2 grams. Fortunately, increasing your fiber intake is relatively easy. Simply integrate high-fiber foods into your diet. Fiber is a blanket term that applies to any type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. The fact your body doesn't use fiber for fuel doesn't make it less valuable to your overall health. Dietary fiber can offer a wide range of benefits such as reducing cholesterol, promoting a healthy weight, adding bulk to the digestive, promoting blood sugar control, and reducing gastrointestinal cancer risk when consumed. Fiber offers many health benefits, but it's important to incorporate fiber-containing foods gradually over the course of a few days to avoid adverse effects, such as bloating and gas. Drinking plenty of water while you up your fiber intake may also help keep these symptoms at bay. Here are 15 high-fiber foods that are both healthy and satisfying. 1. Pears. The pear is a popular fruit that's both tasty and nutritious. It's one of the best fruit sources of fiber. Fiber content: 5.5 grams in a medium-sized, raw pear, or 3.1 grams per 100 grams. 2. Strawberries. Strawberries are a delicious, healthy option that can be eaten fresh. Interestingly, they're also among the most nutrient-dense fruits you can eat, boasting loads of vitamin C, manganese, and various powerful antioxidants. Try some in this banana strawberry smoothie. Fiber content: 3 grams in 1 cup of fresh strawberries, or 2 grams per 100 grams. 3. Avocado. The avocado is a unique fruit. Instead of being high in carbs, it's loaded with healthy fats. Avocados are very high in vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, vitamin E, and various B vitamins. They also have numerous health benefits. Try them in one of these delicious avocado recipes. Fiber content: 10 grams in 1 cup of raw avocado, or 6.7 grams per 100 grams. 4. Apples. Apples are among the tastiest and most satisfying fruits you can eat. They are also relatively high in fiber. We especially like them in salads. Fiber content: 4.4 grams in a medium-sized, raw apple, or 2.4 grams per 100 grams. 5. Raspberries. Raspberries are highly nutritious with a very strong flavor. They're loaded with vitamin C and manganese. Try blending some into this raspberry tarragon dressing. Fiber content: 1 cup of raw raspberries contains 8 grams of fiber, or 6.5 grams per 100 grams. 6. Bananas. Bananas are a good source of many nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. A green or unripe banana also contains a significant amount of resistant starch, a type of indigestible carbohydrate that functions like fiber. Try them in a nut butter sandwich for a hit of protein. 2. Fiber content: 3.1 grams in a medium-sized banana, or 2.6 grams per 100 grams. 7. Carrots. The carrot is a root vegetable that's tasty, crunchy, and highly nutritious. It's high in vitamin K, vitamin B6, magnesium, and beta-carotene, an antioxidant that gets turned into vitamin A in your body. Toss some diced carrots into your next veggie-loaded soup. Fiber content: 3.6 grams in 1 cup of raw carrots, or 2.8 grams per 100 grams. 8. Almonds. Almonds are a popular type of tree nut. They're very high in many nutrients, including healthy fats, vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. Almonds can also be made into almond flour for baking with a dose of extra nutrients. Fiber content: 4 grams per 3 tablespoons, or 13.3 grams per 100 grams. 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is a type of cruciferous vegetable and one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It's loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, B vitamins, potassium, iron, and manganese, and contains antioxidants and potent cancer-fighting nutrients. Broccoli is also relatively high in protein, compared with most vegetables. We like turning them into a slaw for various uses. Fiber content, 2.4 grams per cup, or 2.6 grams per 100 grams. 10. Sweet potatoes. The sweet potato is a popular tuber that's very filling and has a delicious sweet flavor. It's very high in beta-carotene, B vitamins, and various minerals. Sweet potatoes can be a tasty bread substitute or base for nachos. Fiber content, a medium-sized boiled sweet potato, without skin, has 3.8 grams of fiber, or 2.5 grams per 100 grams. 11. Oats. Oats are among the healthiest grain foods on the planet. They're very high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They contain a powerful soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has major beneficial effects on blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Overnight oats have become a staple for easy breakfast ideas. Fiber content, 16.5 grams per cup of raw oats. 12. Lentils. 7.3 grams. Lentils are very cheap and among the most nutritious foods. They're very high in protein and loaded with many important nutrients. This lentil soup is spiced up with cumin, coriander, turmeric, and cinnamon. Fiber content, 13.1 grams per cup of cooked lentils, or 7.3 grams per 100 grams. 13. Kidney beans. Kidney beans are a popular type of legume. Like other legumes, they're loaded with plant-based protein and various nutrients. Fiber content, 12.2 grams per cup of cooked beans, or 6.8 per 100 grams. 14. Split peas. Split peas are made from the dried, split, and peeled seeds of peas. They're often seen in split pea soup after holidays featuring ham. Fiber content, 16.3 grams per cup of cooked split peas, or 8.3 per 100 grams. 15. Popcorn. If your goal is to increase your fiber intake, popcorn may be the best snack you can eat. Air-popped popcorn is very high in fiber, calorie for calorie. However, if you add a lot of fat, the fiber-to-calorie ratio will decrease significantly. Fiber content, 1.15 grams per cup of air-popped popcorn, or 14.4 grams per 100 grams. Fiber is an important nutrient that may promote weight loss, lower blood sugar levels, and fight constipation. Most people don't meet the recommended daily intake of 25 grams for women and 38 grams for men. Try adding some of the above foods to your diet to easily increase your fiber intake. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. If you want more health tips and recipes, please subscribe to the channel.